How to turn on or turn off Do Not Disturb on iPhone. So all you really need to do is to go to the control center of your iPhone, and there are two ways to access this. First is by swiping down from the top right of your screen where the battery icon is located, and second is by tapping on the floating icon of your iPhone. If you have assistive touch enabled, then tap control center. Now, once you're in the control center, you'll be able to see a moon icon with the word focus. So just tap on that. A new selection of buttons will appear, so just tap on Do Not Disturb, and that should turn on your DND. Now, to turn it off, you can just tap in again, and it will be turned off. Now, clicking the Do Not Disturb option sets the DND on and off until you change it. So you can set a timer or schedule of when your phone will be automatically turned on and off the Do Not Disturb option. To do this, just tap the three dots icon next to the Do Not Disturb text, and it will give you the option to open it for an hour, until tomorrow morning, or until you leave a certain location. But you can also tap on settings to further customize this feature. Here you can allow certain notifications to go through or add a schedule to when the feature will be enabled. So that is how to turn on and off Do Not Disturb on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.